you might want to do this in layout instead. I guess I could just copy and paste, and then say red wine. Or set up FiberFX. Red wine. Not my area. My polygon. Okay, that was problematic already. Where's it? Is it? Okay, that. This is way too high-res. Okay, turn off sub D. Let's do that over again. Yeah. Too bad I can't make this thicker, but anyway. So yeah, that is done. I'm just going to do one. I'll make the default shorter. This is totally wrong in terms of scale, but anyway. No, it's screwed. I'll make this black. Way too hard to see. So what we did now, we basically made the guides. So make the guides from the current fibers. Oh, sorry, that's because of this one. Yeah, this needs to be 3 for that to happen. Maybe I should have started at 2, but anyway, we'll go with that. It's really too bad that you cannot save this and tweak it later on, but anyway. Whatever you do now, don't hit escape. The rotation order is the opposite of in modeler. Right, so I think that's pretty good. What I'll do, I can scale these guys just by unchecking IK. It's just well, I don't know if you should call that a trick or a function. A bit hard to zoom in on these guys. Almost impossible, but okay, that took too long. Anyways. You can actually make a weight map in that area to scale these guys. Oh, actually that's just a length map. So I would have to do that first, so anyway, wouldn't be that helpful. I don't know, how long should these be? Whatever. We'll do that. Okay. Again, problem is that I can't really save this. I can save it here, but it doesn't really, to my recollection, it doesn't really help me all that much, because it will not save import the bias, or will it, of these guides anyway. Okay, so this is halfway there. What we're going to do now is this is where you will schmack up, screw up. You'll try to adjust these guys, but there's no way, because you don't change it for area. You have to change it for area, and then there we go. Change quantity, let's say 5. It's up to you now if you want to turn on IK or not. In this case, I would just leave it off, I think. The reason why you should not do this, this needs a new name, but anyway, why you should not do this in FiberFX strand modeler is because you might get into problems getting these to follow the endomorph. So that's why you maybe should do this in layout instead. Anyway. So in FiberFX layout, which is not the same as FiberFX modeler. Yeah, we can add some sides here. Just for visualization, really, nothing more. You can see that this one is a bit off. What you can do because of that is to add another guide here by clicking there. But I don't know, maybe I can. That didn't work. I need to select one of these guys first. Hold down Shift, take this one. No, didn't make any change at all. I really don't want to make a guide there, but temporary hiding these would be nice, but so if the flow of your fibers if it's bad, then you can adjust these a bit, and maybe that will fix the flow, make the flow a bit better. Quite possible. So let's up this. No. Yeah, guess it's better to do that. Just drag these guys a bit. A bit of a gap there. Ah, come on. Whatever. Too long video, yes. Yeah, one last thing that I want to show you. I really don't dig this, but these are too hard to get a hold of, these blue dang dots. So what you do is you click on this one and you will change it for clicking on it several times. We'll change it. So now you see it's bundled. And this is buggy, so I don't like that at all. But okay, at least I can. In this case, this is not that cool, but for example, when you create here, that is not that cool. Because this will jump all over the place, but let's try next. No, that's just next node. That's not going to help me. Select node. So I cannot select the next guide. Can I? No. So I'll have to click here. Click on one of these guys. Bundled. 3, but it did not work. Did not work. Huh. I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know why it didn't change for bumbled. Anyway. So yeah, you can do that. So click this one. Let's see. Change it for a bumble. Nothing happens. Why? Won't do it. I don't know. That's a bug. Okay, something like that. This is just radio stairs, super bad, but excuse my video. I mean, it's been like months since I did this, so. I can't find the damn friggin' blue dots. Arg. Yeah, the wireframe is not doing what it should. Working blindly. You get the idea. You have these. Oops. Well, okay. Nah. It'd be better to do this in layout, I think. Huh, that's strange. Okay, whatever. So, too bad I can't save this. Yeah, that's it really. But yeah, you can see it takes a damn long time. Sorry for not having the scale of the subject correctly, so this should obviously not be 3 meters, also with these settings here. Anyway, you get the idea. Getting these lashes to follow the morph can be a bit tricky, so yeah. Maybe you could use tie a 2-point polygon to the morph and use that as a meta cage or something like that. Anyway, let's just hit OK. It'll be present in the background. Yeah, looks alright-ish. What I wonder though is, okay, so I got this now, right? And I saved those lashes, right? So if I go to FiberFX now, then what? What? And nothing. Is that because I have this one active? Maybe. Let's try this one. Activate the red, as it should be, maybe. Load. Load the lashes. Will it load? Nothing. So yeah, I don't know. Really don't know. Let's try this. Screw that. Load. Okay, something happened at least. Do I have any guides? There are no guides here. Okay. Okay, so by area. Okay, fine, but how the hell is that going to help me? So, I don't know. I just don't think that you can. You know, I could read the manual and all that, but this doesn't seem to work, does it? Yeah, I don't really see the point in loading those. So that is 0. And it loads like that. Nah, there's no point in this. Let's just, no. Nope. Maybe it worked once. But if it worked, it wouldn't import the guides, and well, maybe it imported the guides once. Who knows? But yeah, this is not very useful. Was this video worth it? Maybe not. I don't know. It's like, if you wanted it for, if you have to have the geometry instead of doing it in layout, maybe it was worth it. So thickening that, hitting sub D. I just use thicken. So yeah. So maybe if you want to do something like this, then maybe it's worth it. Is it easier to do this in layout? I don't know, honestly. I haven't tried it. And seems I'm the only one making FiberFX videos, so yeah. Alright. Should add one thing though. That is that if you can see that we do have some splines here. I could use those for later when I tweak stuff. The problem is that these splines, I don't think they contain the bias, but anyway. So I could have shown you flaws. Let's see if I go to surface. And let's see, guides. The guides from layer 2. Okay, they actually contain that data. That's not bad. Sometimes when they upgrade FiberFX, etc., that data gets lost, but that's actually pretty good. So if I now go to Fiber, my area and grow. Are you kidding me? This is actually not that bad. Okay, that's not that bad. You gotta remember though that the guides you saved are not splines. They do contain other info as well. Okay, not bad. Pretty good actually. We will leave it at this.